9 years into the relationship is not just easy as 9 years. Same as others' relationship, there are always ups and downs. We started as friendship. I remember the first time you called me Kuya. And that Kuya becomes sweetheart. Times passes, we shared love each other. We went through many challenges and sometimes even the distance doesn't agree with us. We still stayed with each other love. Ang daming pinagdaanan ng relationship na to. Way back in 2021, our 5th year's anniversary, we attempt to plan for a wedding after my graduation, but we failed that time. We came to the point na siguro hindi talaga kami para sa isa't isa. Dumating kami sa point na sumuko na lang, and then such time, I get a job in Dubai. And we decided after a year of working abroad, we'll get married. Sinubok ulit kami ng panahon kung saan a week prior to my annual leave, sinabi ng manager ko na yung annual leave ko was declined. Hindi alam ni Shine kung ano nangyayari sa akin sa abroad kasi ayaw ko na mag-worry siya since naka-plan na kami for wedding. And I always mention to Shine, no matter what happened, papakasal ako sa'yo. Everything was planned accordingly for the wedding, and Shine excited to see me that time. Just for the information of everybody, ilan po sa mga ninang at ninong namin dito ay nakakaalam kung ano po ang pinagmulan ng aming relationship. And to Sir Ben, I just want to extend my thanks, special thanks for your open arms to help with me along with my first side. I remember one night, Sir Ben spoke with me in the car and mentioned to me, I didn't have any problem to whom my daughter to marry with. But I want to assure whatever I've been started with my daughter, especially in playing instruments such as piano and serving the Lord, will be my legacy until the end. From that time, I realized and I understand the love of a father to his daughter. I may not be a musician and knows how to play an instrument, but this is my promise to you, sir. I will do my best to make it possible soon to my children. Now, I just want to ask a question from you. Shall I call you Daddy Ben?
Yes.
Yes. There are so many definitions of love, but our own definition of love was the perfect definition for me. It's not about how long we stay as boyfriend and girlfriend for 9 years, but choosing you as my forever, for me, was the perfect definition of love. Sinabi ko sa sarili ko, kung may babae man ako papakasalan, walang iba, kundi ikaw yun, Majestic Radiance Maputi. You might be wondering why I mentioned your full name. Now, in front of witnesses, shall I call you Mrs. Majestic Radiance Maputi Kasungkan?
Yes. Yes.
I'll promise you, I will love you until the end of my life, for better and for worse. I love you so much.
Wow, palakpakan na to. Atong palakpakan.